things together, including tuna, vinegar, this cream of wheat stuff, cat food, garlic, cheese, cream of mushroom, tuna, oatmeal, tomato-based oatmeal, sausage links, fiber, whatever this thing is, mustard, ketchup, chocolate, pudding, peaches, avocados, chimichangas, coffee, green salsa, vinegar, water, bread, trash bags, and mayonnaise, and butter. And don't forget the soy sauce, and a magnet. And whatever this stuff is, you get this! The light side is mine. The dark side is my friend ninjas.